Now the weather is getting warmer. The sculptured face mask will help us to cope with the tough situation. I use the standard face mask and draw it on a piece of paper. I save this pattern and fold it over, make sure it's symmetrically matched. Then you make a 4. And I sew the center pieces. From the outside, you sew the centerpiece again. This gives the sculpture look. You cut 6 inches of a wire, and I sew through as a pocket, and then I put the wire through. You can see the loop. And once the wire is centered, you mark it there. I close the 2 ends. And 2 pieces of elastic band. This is the inside look, and this is the outside. You can tell it's a very, very sculptured look, and the side view of it. And there's a close-up look on the nose.